How many of you grew up eating macaroni and tomatoes? Or maybe you still do. I do. My grandmother and my mama always made macaroni and tomatoes, and I love it to this day. You know, some people get tired of eating that dish that they ate in their youth and they don't want it anymore. Not me. I love this one, and every time I make it, I think of my little grandma, and I can still see her making this. But she would always take macaroni, elbow macaroni, and just boil it according to the instructions on the box. Now you can use whatever kind of macaroni you want to, and I like to use my leftover macaroni and cheese. I always make more than I should so that I can actually make this dish. Now I've got about 2 cups of macaroni and cheese. I did add just a dab of milk to my macaroni and cheese just to kind of thin it out. And then I added about a half of a yellow onion, diced. And I'm going to put a lid on this and let this cook on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes until that onion kind of softens up a little bit. Now, I just make this typically for me. I'm the one that eats all of this. And so I like my onions crunchy, so I don't saute them, but you could do that. Then you're going to drop in a can of diced tomatoes. I even throw in whole tomatoes when I have them, especially fresh tomatoes. And I'm gonna let this cook for probably about 15 minutes on low to medium heat, stirring occasionally. And I put lots of pepper in this, by the way. It just makes it taste so good. This is just my comfort food. It really takes me back in time. I love this dish. Do you have a favorite dish that you grew up eating and you still eat today?